Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I'm joined by two very special guests. I have
JoJo Dream.
And I have
It's your boy. Follow me on Twitter and IG at gottahave_Timbo.
That's a lot. All right, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're giving y'all a taste test. With it being April, you know, Easter time, one of the iconic images and snacks for Easter are Peeps. And Peeps has come out with some new flavors, and we are going to try them. So,
First of all, we're well aware 80% of sane people on the planet don't actually
Big
digest
thumbs down. I'm gonna swallow them for the culture though.
Can we start with the nastiest ones first?
okay, I'm going to show you guys all the flavors that we're going to be taste testing today, starting with Le Vanilla Cream. This is, yeah, all right. And then we have the Chocolate Caramel Swirl.
I'm gonna pass on the caramel joint, but the vanilla cream might have to go down.
And then we also have the Marshmallow dipped in decadent milk chocolate. And lastly, we'll be trying Peeps Sour Watermelon.
Like, God did more damage.
No.
And I don't think.
All right, you guys in the comment section below, let me know if you've tried any of these flavors of Peeps, and also let me know, do you eat Peeps, period?
Of course you haven't.
All right, paper towel for you. Paper towel for you. All right, where
Can we
would
go
we like
worst to best?
We're gonna start with this sour watermelon so I can
Yeah, let's get the watermelon out the way. 'Cause
I
I already know those are about to be nasty.
I really feel like these are gonna be the best.
I'm voting
One.
vanilla cream is gonna
What do
be
you
the
vote
best.
for the best?
I'm a chocolate person, but I feel like the vanilla cream might be.
Oh, they're vanilla cream
I
flavored
think-
marshmallow? Yeah, those might go down.
Shout out to the packaging. Okay, the smell is very. I'm gonna walk. I take my. I take my
Ooh.
vote back that
It just hit.
I don't think the watermelon one is gonna be
They
this.
smell fruity though. It's chill.
All right, I'm
It's
gonna
a marshmallow, remember that.
wait. Okay, on three. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nah, bruh. Nah, bruh.
It's a one bite situation.
They messed up producing these things entirely situation.
So,
Yeah, let's give thoughts. What do you say?
You're swallowing these.
I mean, it literally tasted like a watermelon candy. It didn't even taste like a marshmallow. It was like those Sour Patch watermelons, but just not as sour, I'd probably say.
Okay.
Still
No.
again though.
That green apple coating, it's kind of powdery. That hit me first, and everything after that didn't follow.
Yeah, it's like, you know when you get the sour dust from a sour candy? Like, that's just what's lingering right now on my taste buds, and I don't support it.
Let's go caramel next.
Okay, all right, guys.
Let's get the bad flavors out of this one first. Ooh, the bottom has chocolate on it.
That's cute.
Oh, this
Thank you,
is
down.
nice.
This one smells
Ooh.
good. This smells like a Little Debbie Swiss roll.
Yes, this is
You ready?
exactly what it smells like.
Cheers.
All right, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh. I got
Ooh.
deceived. All right.
The caramel
Ooh.
flavor.
Yeah, the caramel is in
I
there.
thought y'all read it says caramel filled.
I knew,
I
but
forgot.
I didn't know.
Y'all took that big bite.
Jordy might get fired immediately.
Oh my gosh, the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole junk filled caramel. I'm good.
Vanilla creme.
I got like crème, homie.
We gotta cleanse our palate.
Top shelf, you know.
What are you really going to do with the taste test? So you
Yeah,
get an equal
I didn't
fair.
have any fruit. I'm sorry. This has
Oh, I
like
got a cherry slushy.
Oh, I gotta get the one with the good eyes. His eyes are messed up. Oh, this one has a.
This
Ooh,
gives me
this
like
smells
a
like
confetti
birthday
cake. Yeah, funfetti or whatever.
Already? This also has white chocolate on
Just
the
couldn't
side.
wait. You just couldn't
I'm not
wait.
doing this better than y'all.
What?
This also has a white chocolate base.
Today for what I have for you chefs is a duck shaped marshmallow covered with vanilla crème.
This is actually a chick. That's what it says on the
Oh,
thing.
they're chickens.
All right, guys. 1, 2, 3. not good. This one is the most like crayon.
Yeah, this is pretty bland.
This is not good.
It tastes like everything you think of vanilla marshmallow.
Peeps aren't good in general.
But that
We
just is
did
not
this.
good.
As you can see, I'm eating less and less of the Peep every time.
As you can see, I didn't even get to the first one that y'all did.
All she did was eat the head of the Peep. Like,
She just decapitated it and went about her business.
all right, our last. Ooh,
That might be the best one.
because it's gonna have the classic like Peep top, but like a Peep top, but Peep top, and the chocolate bottom, and
These are really chickens.
it says 3 chicks.
Oh, I thought they were ducks.
Because nobody did a good job specifying that. Like, I feel like this is what ducks look like in the water.
These look like rubber ducky.
Yeah.
The one.
Is this one gonna have chocolate on the inside or it's only just
No,
dip?
just dip. All right, guys.
Sure, no surprises.
Uno, dos, tres.
I take it back.
No,
These were not the best.
no, they were not.
Those are actually the worst.
I'm utterly.
What's crazy is the watermelon one was low-key the best one.
That's a lie.
No. That's my vote. Watermelon.
The best one was actually the.
All the ones that were covered in chocolate.
No. This one was good. I feel like this is dark chocolate on the bottom, and this one's milk chocolate, and I think that makes a
The
difference.
chocolate one was great.
If I bought these, I'd just eat the chocolate out of all of them.
All of them were just too much though.
Yeah,
I just don't
honestly,
like marshmallow.
I didn't think I would be the one to say this, but a classic Peep is probably the best. No?
If you're a peeper.
Unpopular opinion?
Can't be a peeper.
Okay. All right, guys, if you've tried any of these flavors, be sure to let me know in the comment section below what your favorite was, or just let us know something funny about this video.